When the boy went to shopping, how many tomatoes did he purchase? 12. On the way home, all but 9. Now keep your attention here. Suppose that but 9 is not written in this blank for the time being. All get matched. We are supposing that but 9 is not written here. All get matched and ruined. Okay? Now read this blank once again with but 9. It is saying on the way home, while he was going back to his home with his 12 tomatoes, all the tomatoes get mashed but 9 did not. Meaning that 9 tomatoes out of these 12 are still in good condition. So we were asked how many tomatoes are left in good condition. The answer is 9. Number 9. The number 5 is transformed to be 11. The number 7 is transformed to be 15. The 9 is transformed to be 19. What happens to the number 12? To solve blank number 9, you have to use a formula. Formula is x into 2 plus 1. The x is these numbers. 5 is x, 7 is x, 9 is x, and here 12 is x. We have to solve the answer of 12. But let's check these first. X into 2 plus 1 equals to. Now first x was 5. 5 into 2 plus 1 equals to 11. Look at this. The number 5 is transformed to be 11. We have here worked out the answer. Now using the same formula, we have to consider x as 12. 12 into 2 plus 1 equals what? 25. So the answer of this blank is 25. If you want to cross check these as well, 7 is x. 7 into 2 plus 1. What the answer will be? 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15. 9 into 2, 18 plus 1, 19. This formula works for this blank. Answer is 25. Number 10. How many times do you need to cut the pizza to get 8 pieces? 2, 3 or 4? Now to work out the solution of this MCQ number 10, we have to look at the shape of the pizza. What is the shape of the pizza? Like this. Round shape. If we will cut it first time, in how many pieces will this cut divide the pizza into? 2. We have to get 8 pieces. So in order to get 8 pieces, how many times do we need to cut the pizza? Right now we have 4. And how many times we have cut the pizza so far? 2 times. 3 times. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are still not to the 8 pieces. Now line number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After cutting the pizza 4 times, we have finally got 8 pieces, which was our target. So what is the correct answer? How many times do you need to cut the pizza to get 8 pieces? 4 times. Can you find the next number? To find the next number, for example, for the time being, look at number 8, this digit. Can you remove one of its line to make a new digit? Yes. Remove this line and it will become 9. Now keep your focus on the digit 9. Can you remove any of its line to make a new digit out of it? Yes. This line can be removed and it will become 5. After 5, you have to transform the digit 5 into some new number. So you can replace this line over here and bring it over here to make a new digit. And it will become 3. See, we have replaced the line over here. Now the next digit is 3. You have to transform this digit into some other digit. You can see, we have to transform 3 into some new digit. If we will remove one of its line, it will not transform it into any digit. See, this is not any mathematical digit. We have to remove its bottom 2 lines in order to make a new digit, and it will be what? 7. We have to remove these 2 lines. Now 7 is the most minimal figure. You can remove only one of its line to make a new digit, and the new digit will become what? 1. Number 12. There are 12 rooms in a building and each room has 2 windows and 1 light. Last evening, 18 windows were lighted. How many rooms was the light off? Look at the given data. There are 12 rooms. Each room has 2 windows and 1 light. And the question is about last evening when only 18 windows were lighted, meaning that remaining rooms were having their light off. And we have to find those remaining rooms. Okay? So how many rooms were there in total? 12 rooms. Each meaning every one of the room out of these 12 rooms has 2 windows and 1 light. Meaning how many total windows we have? 2 windows per room and total rooms are 12. Total windows are 24. Now out of these 24 windows, in the last evening, only 18 windows were lighted. Meaning that how many windows are remaining? 6. Each room had how many windows? 2. So we are left with how many rooms whose light is off? 3 rooms. 3 is the answer of this blank. 13. A spider was sitting on the ceiling. It lowered itself 12 cm down, then climbed 7 cm upwards and finally lowered itself 6 cm. What distance from the ceiling is now the spider? Now look at this diagram. Suppose this is the ceiling of a room and here is the spider. At first it lowered itself 12 cm down from the ceiling. Now where is the spider? Spider is right here. This is, for example, the floor. After reaching this point, the spider moved upwards 7 cm to a height of 7 cm. Now where is the spider? The spider is right here now. After reaching this point, the spider lowered itself for about 6 centimeters. Now the spider is right here. What is the distance of the spider from the floor, from the final bottom line? The distance is 1 centimeter, and you can find out this distance by looking at these 2 figures. At first, the spider lowered itself from the ceiling down to 12 centimeter. After that, it went upward to a height of 7 centimeter, and then it lowered itself once again to a height of 6 centimeter. Now, from the floor, it is at the distance of 1 centimeter. We have to work out Where is the spider right now? Spider is at this point. We have to work out the distance of the spider from the ceiling when it is right here. What is the distance? What is this total height? The total height is 12 centimeter. And this 1 centimeter is extra. So we have to subtract this 1 centimeter from the total height and it will become 11 centimeter. So the answer is 11 centimeter. A family has several children. One of them is Tom. Tom has 2 sisters and each of his sisters has 3 brothers. How many children are in this family? Now who is Tom? Tom is a boy and he has 2 sisters. Each of his sisters, meaning that every one of this sister has 3 brothers. If 2 girls are sisters, then their brothers must be common. Now in the question, each of these 2 sisters have 3 brothers, and because there is written each of his sisters. Whose sisters? Tom's. So meaning that Tom is one of those 3 brothers. Tom is one of those 3 brothers, meaning that including Tom, these 2 sisters have 3 brothers, including Tom. So how many brothers do we have in total? 3 brothers and 2 sisters. So how many total children does this family has? Total children are 5. The correct option is missing in this question. So you have to write the correct answer by yourself. Correct answer is 5.